How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download music from YouTube to MP3 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the YouTube on your system. So after you open the YouTube, you'll get such an interface. So from your at the left hand side of your browser, you'll get options like more from YouTube. So from your you'll have to just go the option YouTube Studio. So simply click on it. Alright, so from the YouTube Studio section, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So after you logged in with your account, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your at the left hand side, from the panel, you'll have to just scroll down and go the options like audio library. So simply click on it. Alright, so from the audio library section, you can browse multiple list of MP3 sounds or music available on YouTube Studio. So from here, you can as usual review it by playing this audio. And after you review or choose that song, you can easily download that MP3 song by clicking on this download section. So it will appear at the right hand section of that music. So simply you have to click on this download option. Alright, so after you click on download, you'll be able to easily download the MP3 music file of that YouTube songs from the YouTube. So this is the easiest and simplest method to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.